What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am trying out Culver's new pepper burger that they came out with. I'm super excited. I saw Steph Pappas try this burger and I had to run, like she said, and try out this burger. Ooh. First of all, it smells absolutely delicious. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I only got a single this time, guys, but I also got some onion rings. Sorry, I blanked out. I also got some onion rings because I've literally been craving them for a while now. But let's check out this burger. So the bun is peppery. There's bacon on it. Is that pepper jack cheese? It looks really good. And there's some kind of like sauce on it too. But yeah, guys, let's dig into this. I'm super excited. Here we go. Okay, hold up. Ooh. This burger is so good. Wow. That sauce, they could have put a little bit more on it, but I like my stuff saucy. This burger is so good. Absolutely phenomenal. Ooh, excuse me. I don't know how long that they are going to have this burger, but it's a limited time only. So if you guys have a Culver's, definitely go get it before they don't have it anymore. I usually don't like burgers that like don't have like lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mustard, mayo, all of that, but that burger, if they kept this burger like on the menu, it probably would be my favorite. I've had just about almost everything on their menu except for the, what is it, the mushroom burger, because I do not like mushrooms. That burger's phenomenal. I love their onion rings. So crunchy. Ah, it's so good, y'all. Maybe I should have gotten a double. I'm kind of sad I didn't. Not gonna lie, I don't have Swiss cheese on my burgers a lot. Dang, they were flying. I don't know why I haven't had Swiss cheese on my burgers, but it's good. Definitely need to try that more. It's been such a gloomy week here in Ohio. Like, super gloomy. But the next few days are supposed to warm up. It's supposed to get in the mid-80s. Like, it's about to be October. And it's about to be in the 80 degrees. Like, what? Look at that crisp. I really need to go to a pumpkin patch. I need to take my son. I haven't been yet this year. We went last year with my brother and his girlfriend, and that was so fun. They had like a play area for the kids. They had goats there to pet, a corn maze, a hayride, all kinds of cute little, all kinds of different pumpkins, you know. I had the regular ones, the ones with the bumps on them, the ones that are shaped weird. They had cute little just fall trinkets and drinks. Like, it was cute. It was packed though. Packed. But I think we went earlier in the season. Maybe I should do a vlog when I do that. That'd be fun. That'd be so fun. I think I'll do that. Y'all, I'm telling you. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, that was a lot. But you need to go get this burger, okay? You gotta let me know what you think. I definitely suggest getting the double though, because I don't know, the single it's kind of thin. Usually their burgers are a little thicker, but it's because I think it's not like so much on it, like lettuce, tomato, all of that. That Swiss cheese is so good on this. And whatever sauce this is, the bun too, how it's crispy and it has little pepper flakes on the top. I'm telling you, this burger's good. forgot to tell you guys, this is a Sprite. Ooh, crispy. Excuse me. Whew. So happy to be filming in my car today. I missed it a lot. You just hear the nature? Love it. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. That Sprite. Carbonation. My happy dance. Last one. So good. Craving satisfied. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this short video. Definitely you guys need to go check out that burger because like I said like 500 times, it is so good and they're only a limited time, so definitely go run and get that. If you've made it this far in my video, comment a burger emoji so I know who my real ones are. And until my next video, I hope you guys stay safe and stay blessed out there. I love you guys. Bye.